All right, let's get ready to hit it. Let's start with feet together. Jack it out. Starting to get our heart rate up. First exercise, we got 4 steps out to the right. 1, 2, 3, and switch. Now your low impact option is to take that jump out and just step it. All right, adding on, let's add a jab for 4. Good. And switch. Again. Just slowly starting to get that heart rate up. Good. Keeping that soft bend in your knees. Keep it up. Last one. All right, jack switch. Right here. So think about just going forward and back, and then push those arms out. We're gonna combine those moves together. Starting with a jab for 4. Awesome. Switch. Jack switch, push it out. Good. Rotating from the core. From the top. Jab. Woo! Oh yeah, heart rate's coming up. Jack switch. Awesome. All right, stay here, pump forward and back. Just breathe. Low impact. Take those steps out. Side to side. Again, you can just step it out. Come back, forward and back. Think about really crunching that core here. Side to side. All right, coming back to the top. 4 jabs, let's go. Hey, switch. Jack switch. You can always step these ones out. Work it. 4 jabs. And switch. Jack switch. Breathe. Let's do one more round. You got it. Jack switch. Moving on to our next dance. Coming into a double heel. Take a look. Hey. Keeping that bounce here, or if you'd like, you can just tap it out. Yeah? Adding on. Hammy run for 3. 1, 2, hold. I'm just adding a small double bounce in there. If you want to walk it out, you can do that too. Combining those 2. Double heel. Hammy. 1, 2, hold. Again, double. Hammy. Again. Driving that heel up to the glutes. Awesome. One more. All right, adding on. Country swing. So take a look, it's the same movement pattern. I'm just crossing that foot. Swinging the opposite arm. 4 more. Back to the hammy run, pump those arms. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you can always step it out if you need more low impact. Let's combine those 2. Country swing. Hey, hammy run. Again. Hammy. Now that you got it, let's work it. Hammy run. Breathe. You're doing great. Keep going. Woo! Keep it up. Awesome. All right. Just recover here. Give me a jump rope. You can march it out if you need to. We're gonna do this all over again. Are you ready? Country swing. Work it. Hammy run. Really reach those arms up. Hammy run. You're killing it. Let's go. One more. All right, let's hook it out. Stay here. Keep a slight bend in those knees. Just think about jabbing someone right in that chin. All right, let's add on. Step together and tap. Mini squat in there, not too crazy. Step together, step, tap. 2 more. From the top, 4 hooks. Hey, step, tap. Work it, hook it. Keep this nice and strong. Step. Keep going, hook. Squeeze that core. Step. 1 more, please. Step. Back to those hooks, stay here. All right, let's talk about it. I want you to think about driving that power from those hips. Notice how I'm rotating. Going back to the step. If you'd like, you can add a little hop in there. Just picking up my leg. Nothing too crazy. If you don't want to do that, you can always just step it out. Here we go, hook it. Hey, step. Hook. Step. Are you having fun yet? Let's go. Step. 1 more, please. Step. We're gonna bring those hands up. Squat it. Yes. Sing it. Work. Add those jacks. You're doing great. Back to the top. Hook it. Step. Hook. Step. Come on, a little bit deeper. Step. Last one, last one. Step. Adding on. Pull those hammies back. All right, just driving those heels into the glutes. Breathe. This is your chance to recover. We're gonna go into an open, close step. Take a look. Goes open, close, knee. Step together, step, drive. Hands are coming out in a half T. Think about crunching that core. Now let's add it all together. Hammy pull. Then open, close. Step it out. Yeah. Again. Hammy pull. Open, close. All right, give me a little bit more intensity. Hey. Step open. Drive it up. Now this is your low impact option. In just a moment, we're gonna add some of those jumps in there. Let's go. Work. Open, close. One more. Open, close. All right, adding a second layer. Pull the hammies back and pull a bar right to the chest. Think about squeezing your back. If you want to add that second layer in, you can jump it out. Going into our open close jack, take a look. Open close, ankle. Now super important, keep the upper body up. Don't lean forward to try to reach it. Let's combine it. Pull back, pull back. Open close jack. Hey. Pull back, pull back. Open close. You got it? Let's go. Open close. Again, again. Good. Let's roll out those shoulders. Breathe. You're killing it. We just got a few more rounds of that. And then you are done with this. Are you ready? Work it. Pull. Open close. Pull. Open. Let's go. Open. Work. Keep going. Hey. You got this. Breathe. You are so close. This is your last one. And boom. Awesome job.